What got me into it was in high school. I went through the shop class and I decided to go get my apprenticeship. Machine work was always something I liked. I like working with my hands. I used to be really into woodworking, but I've kind of transitioned to the metalworking, and I really enjoy that. My name is Matt Gilles. I'm a machinist here at Nix Industrial. I come in the morning and it's usually lathe work or mill work, manual stuff. Then I kind of help out wherever I need help and talk to customers when they come in. I go out and I meet with a lot of my old customers, I bring some work back, deliver work if need be, and pick up parts if need be. We do a lot of camping, and then we also take the grandkids camping. Mainly my camping involves a racetrack. I like dirt track racing. I did it back when I was young. Now I'm a spectator and we go and camp out at racetracks. I probably do that 5 or 6 times a year. I told those guys when I started here that I wanted to step back and do machine work again and not deal with all the other stuff that's involved with owning a business. I really enjoy that. Just coming in here working on a piece of equipment and talking to my buddies, and I enjoy being just a fellow worker with my guys again.